Hi everyone, this is Bernie, your Revit Blaster here at Printastat Incorporated, giving you the TNT for Revit users. This video I'd like to call wall types. I just want to discuss some of the wall types. How did I get there? Just to help you out, if you're a new learner of Revit, this will give you a little insight of how to create different wall types to get your plans to look a little different. A lot of times we're having the white stud area as existing. You have drywall both sides. Pardon me. Let me show you this. I'm going to do this. 4 7/8. This should be the same. This should be the same. This should be a little different. Maybe I didn't mess around with it. 4 1/2. Okay. So these are all three commercial types of walls. This is a residential type of wall. Typically the white one would be used for existing. I use that also for residential. If I'm doing addition, I'll draw the existing in white and then draw the new with the wood stud hatch, wood hatch. But how did I create them is what the question is for this video. Pardon me. Let's go into the wall type. Go over to the properties dialog box, hit edit to type. And now you see all the different types in here. If you hit the drop down, all the different types of walls. There's a whole bunch in this project. Autodesk created them for us. This is 4 7/8, which tells me it's a 3 5/8 stud with another 1¼ inch on top of that, which would be 5/8 each side for gypsum board. And there you go, 5/8, 3 5/8, 5/8. Now, why does this say existing? I created it that way. When I created my other ones, which were going to be new, I labeled this one as existing. That way, no matter what kind of wall type I'm creating, I can go into this properties button and I can pick whichever type I created. I created a metal stud layer, which in the cut pattern, which is what we're seeing in plan, it shows this steel hatch or symbol. And then I made a metal stud layer and I labeled it as solid. So I know that the fill pattern, the cut pattern is solid. Dark gray is nice. Once you pick on this, you can pick whatever you want to be there. And then you can change the color of that under this same palette right here so that it shows up the way you want it. I like the gray. Shows up well on a print. When you do that, get that the way you like it, hit OK. There's your basic wall with your metal stud layer, solid. Oh, here's the cool thing. Guys, when you label things with a name describing what it is, then you know if you picked the wrong one or not. I left this as solid. This is the wrong one. I was looking at the existing. Let me go back to existing. Okay. Metal stud layer existing. Okay. Let's go to OK. Boom. There it is. Now what you could do is you could rename this also so that you're picking the correct one. You could rename this, stick behind this, existing, so that you know what wall type you're using. Hit OK. You go in here into your project and you set your cursor on top. It brings up what it is. Walls, basic wall, interior, 4 7/8 partition, existing. I don't know what the RO is. I'll have to look at that and let you know. That surprised me. Here's another one. New solid. I know that's the solid hatch. This one says new. I didn't say steel. And this one says That's 4.5 partition wood. 4.5 because the stud in that one is 3.5 plus ½ inch and ½ inch. That's 4.5. This is the down and dirty of how to create them. You can duplicate those interior stud types in the properties dialog, in the materials dialog, I should say. So you can make anything you want in there. Any type of symbol you want to show the reader what they're looking at. Hope this helps you in everything you do. Have a great day, everybody.